drowning, and then you will flail. Then you will go. You'll start to gag. You'll start to choke. Then I'll have to give you mouth to mouth and clear all the stuff out your throat. Drink some of this. It's just a sauna. You gotta hydrate when you're at a full party. We jump back in, and my dad's right behind me. We get his clothes wet, and he's yelling at me. I'm a summertime king with flip-flops, beach chair, shades all black. There's some slick aviators. Now I'm on my knees. Boogie boards goes umami. Yeah, girl, that's right. I'm Johnny Tsunami. Then the day's done, and it's time to eat. Cause my dad bought meat and the hamburger buns. Big G stand for grill master. Oh, your dad can grill? Mine can do it faster. Good hang, did a pool thing. We got wet and splashy. Let me explain. If you love this and need summer vibes when you want some pool, you just say my name. Ah. Yeah. Now you know that we go wet and splashy. Bring the floaties and your toys for this and flashy. The sun never stops. It's wet and splashy. From the top, diving drop. You got wet and splashy. Now get your things and towel off. From the wet and splashy, we feeling hot at this wet and splashy. Macaroni and hot dogs at the wet and splashy.